Ever wondered where you can stash your money with StashAway? Yeah, us too. We know the world's a big place, and figuring out where a financial app operates can be a real head-scratcher. So, let's dive in and uncover the countries where StashAway has set up shop. Now, you might be thinking, why does this matter? Well, imagine finding out your favorite app is just a stone's throw away, offering you a convenient way to invest and save. Or perhaps you're planning a big move and want to know if your trusty financial companion will be there to catch you. Whatever your reason, let's get exploring. First stop, Singapore. This is where StashAway first planted its flag. A hub of innovation and finance, it's no surprise this was the chosen starting point. Singaporeans have been enjoying the benefits of automated investing and financial planning through StashAway for quite some time now. But StashAway didn't stop there. Next on the list is Malaysia. With a growing middle class and increasing interest in wealth management, Malaysia was a natural choice for expansion. So, if you're based in the land of Petronas Towers, you're in luck. And guess what? The StashAway journey doesn't end there. The company has also made its way to the sunny shores of the Philippines. This Southeast Asian archipelago is experiencing rapid economic growth, and StashAway is right there to help Filipinos build their financial future. So, we've covered Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Are there any other countries in the StashAway family? Well, as of now, that's where the map ends. But hey, the world of finance is always changing, and so is StashAway. New markets could be on the horizon, so keep your eyes peeled. Now, you might be wondering what this means for you. If you're lucky enough to reside in Singapore, Malaysia, or the Philippines, you have access to a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. If not, don't despair. There's always the possibility of expansion in the future. And remember, while StashAway offers a convenient way to invest, it's essential to do your own research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. Financial planning is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.